Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you on the hunt for a mascara that gives you long, voluminous lashes without the dreaded clumps? Well, today we're exploring Vivienne Sabó's Cabaret Premiere Black Mascara. If you've struggled with mascaras that flake or smudge, this might just be the one that elevates your lash game. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a review. Let's dive into this mascara to see if it really lives up to the French beauty secret it claims to be. Vivienne Sabó's Cabaret Premiere Black Mascara is designed to give you beautifully defined, voluminous lashes in a simple, easy-to-apply formula. With just one coat, it promises to enhance length and thickness, leaving you with fuller lashes that don't clump or flake. The wand is petite, making it easy to coat each lash from root to tip for a natural, fanned-out effect. And for those long days, you won't have to worry about smudging. This formula stays in place without transferring or flaking. Plus, it's cruelty-free, so you can feel good about the product you're using. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. When I first tried the Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premiere Black Mascara, I was immediately impressed by how lightweight it felt on my lashes. The wand is perfectly sized for precise application, and it did a great job separating each lash without the dreaded clumping that can happen with thicker formulas. I applied one coat, and it really added volume and length to my lashes. For a more dramatic look, you can easily build it up without it getting too thick or spidery. Throughout the day, I noticed the mascara stayed in place, no smudging or flaking, which is a huge plus. I didn't experience any irritation, and it was easy to remove at the end of the day with a makeup remover without pulling or damaging my lashes. On the positive side, this mascara really lives up to its promises. No clumping, flaking, or smudging. The formula is smooth, lightweight, and easy to apply, making it ideal for everyday wear. However, if you're looking for extreme volume or a more dramatic lash look, you may need to layer it a few times for a more intense effect. In terms of value for money, Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premiere Black Mascara is priced quite reasonably for the quality you get. Its performance is definitely on par with some higher-end mascaras, and the fact that it doesn't flake or smudge makes it a great option for those looking for a reliable, all-day mascara. The cruelty-free factor adds even more appeal, especially for those conscious about the ethical side of their beauty products. When comparing this mascara to others on the market, it holds its own. The smudge-proof, long-lasting formula is something that's hard to beat in this price range. Other mascaras might offer similar claims, but they often fall short when it comes to staying put throughout the day. This one keeps your lashes looking fresh from morning to night without the midday touch-up. The packaging feels sturdy and elegant, in line with Vivienne Sabó's reputation for chic, Parisian-inspired products. The product itself lasts a decent amount of time, and a little goes a long way, so you won't be running out after just a few uses. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, Vivienne Sabó offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a hassle-free return policy, which speaks to their commitment to customer satisfaction. I haven't personally had to interact with their customer service, but their reputation for handling inquiries and returns is solid. If you're looking for a mascara that won't break the bank, but still delivers impressive results, Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premiere Black Mascara is a great option. However, if you're willing to spend a little more, you might want to explore other high-end options like Lancôme or Dior for an even more luxurious lash experience. Overall, I'm impressed with this mascara. It gives you beautiful, voluminous lashes with minimal effort, and the fact that it's smudge-proof and cruelty-free makes it even more attractive. It's well-suited for anyone who wants a reliable, everyday mascara that doesn't require constant touch-ups. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.